everyone, Alexa here. Today we are on day 18 of our 31 days of Halloween. I hope you guys are enjoying. I do have a fresh face on and my gray blue contacts in. I'm just priming my eyes with some eye primer. We're gonna get right into the thick of things. Also, I was gonna name this Sunset Mermaid, but it honestly, like, my inspiration was those orange and white and red koi fish. So that is what I decided to name this. So I hope this doesn't offend anybody, but that is just what I decided to name this tutorial. Alright, so starting off, I'm lining my lower water lash line with the white just to make our eyes appear a lot bigger. I'm putting on a really bright yellow on the lid of my eye and kind of blending that up into my eyebrow at the front. I'm putting a white right on my inner lid, right by my little lacrimals there. And then I put the white also on my brow bone. Now I'm starting off with a nice and bright orange, and I'm just blending this into my crease and my outer V. We're going to take this and drag this along our eye a little bit later, so you don't have to worry about that right now. I wanted to make sure I got my foundation and concealer on before I started doing anything under my eye. Alright, so this is what I really think makes this look pop. I'm using some white eyeliner, and we're making this pretty big and thick, making the wing really extended and long. As you can see, I went over it a couple times just to make sure it was really nice and bright and everything was good and there was no lines. White is a little bit tricky. It's a little bit more tricky than black, of course, because it turns out to be more opaque. And then I'm going really lightly on the bottom of the white, so along our lash line, and then just kind of flicking that out, making it look really all put together, but really just nice and light. If you want to make it thicker, that's okay too. I just decided to make this a little bit thinner, so when we do our lashes, it's all going to look cohesive. So make sure you do your mascara first, because I don't know what I was doing and I just didn't do my mascara first. So make sure you do your mascara first, and then go ahead and start to blend your foundation and concealers in by your neck, your hairline, all that jazz. I am putting on a wig, obviously, so make sure you are nice and blended. Also, I know this foundation is a little light. As you can see, I got a little bit of a tan going on, but that's okay. This look kind of makes it stand out with the whites and the oranges and all the warmness going on. So I'm just kind of lightly contouring my face, and then I'm going back under my eye with that orange, just kind of blending everything really heavy by my eye, and then just kind of blending that down. Of course, these contacts really make this look pop. You don't have to use the contacts. That's just what I did for this look. I'm taking that yellow on a really fluffy brush, and we're kind of going along our temples, and we gotta dance and sing because it's not an Alexa tutorial if we don't do one of those things. Then I'm taking the yellow and I'm going right where you would put, like right under your cheekbone, where you would put, or right above, how does that work? Right under your cheekbone? Yeah, like right where your contour would start. And then we're doing the orange right under that, and then we're using a red. So we're just kind of blending everything all together. The orange is really overpowering though, and I didn't want the red to take it over too much. So I just used a little bit of red, and we're going to use red on our eyebrows and on our neck. So that's where the red came into play, but I honestly didn't make it too bright. It kind of turned out more pink. Just making sure everything is all blended in nice and good. I'm taking that orange and I'm going to make some lollipop lips, but I just really, oh my gosh, I just really fluffed the eyeshadow all over my lips just a little bit. And then I put, this is my favorite gloss, Moon Jelly by Anastasia. Of course, everything will be in the description box down below, but this is my favorite gloss, like, of all time. It's beautiful. It's got like purple iridescent. It looks great on top of everything. It's honestly my favorite. Now I'm putting on some mascara, top and bottom lashes. I thought about doing some individuals for my bottom lash, but I just decided not to. Then I did a kind of a fan out lash, so it's smaller on the inside of your eye and it's larger on the outside of your eye. And then I just stuck some different kinds of pearls and rhinestones, just different colors to my eye, just to make it all kind of more mermaid-esque. You could also do the scale technique. I tried to on my neck, but I honestly just kind of gave up. It works better if someone holds the netting for you. And as you can see here, we are doing the red, and then I just did a little bit of orange on the inside of my brow. It kind of got swallowed up by the red though, but that's okay. To make your rhinestones stick a little better, once you place them down, go ahead and put a little lash glue around them just so they don't fall off. And of course I use clear because I'm very messy and it dries clear, so that is my tip to you there, as you can see. And then once you get everything to stick, go ahead and pop your wig on. And if you have some netting, go ahead and play with that. It was super fun. And just have some fun with it. So this is my koi mermaid inspired. Oh, I did put some glitter around my eye, but I didn't press play when I filmed that. So yeah, I put a little bit of glitter just around my eye just to make it all kind of more cohesive. I feel like mermaids have to have a lot of glitter. I didn't want to do the typical blue and green and purple mermaid. I see 1,000,000,003 of those. So I just wanted to do a sunset type of koi mermaid. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the rest of 31 Days of Halloween. Give a like if you guys are enjoying it so far. And I love you all so, so much. Thank you, and have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye.